Alright, so I'm in my garage and I got my bike mechanic assistant there in the corner, and today what I'm going to do is put this 44T Oneup component onto my 9er WFO, which currently has the XX1 and the XD driver with my Chris King hub, and I'm going to take off the 42 tooth on that XX1, or is it the XO1? I believe it's the XO1, and try out this 44 tooth. And the main goal is to see if it works, and if it does, I'm going to get a XD driver for my Hope Fat Snow and move that XX1 package over to my fat bike, because even though I've got the 42 tooth up on this one now, it works great. I just want to make it a little bit easier to get up those hills. Right now I have that wolf tooth extended cog, and I was able to get it to shift gears pretty nicely, but it's a little bit tricky, a little bit of fiddling you got to do with it. With the Sram drivetrain, that XD driver cassette with the 11-speed shifter and the 11-speed derailleur, it all works pretty seamlessly. So that's why I'm hoping by removing the 42 tooth off the XD driver, I'm sorry, the XX1/XO1, I honestly don't remember which one it is. I hope I have a good, flawless component upgrade. And the reason I chose this one was because this works with the SRAM only, and it will only work with the XO1 and the XX1. It will not work with the X1, and I believe it's the XG 11 speed or 11 tooth. Geez, I can't even talk. 11 gear dome, because you have to be able to remove the 42 tooth off the dome to put this one on, and only the XO1 and the XX1 apparently you can pry off. So alright, that's what I'm doing. Oh, I also got this handy little GoPro stem cap mount. I'm going to give that a shot next time I ride. Alright, here we go. First, let's get this WFO off the rack. Probably going to take this dropper post off and put it on my fat bike, since I tend to ride the fat bike more than I'm riding this thing. So yeah, that's something I'll do at a later date. For right now, let's just get this contraption off. It's a great bike, fun, good downhill. Let's see, which way do I want to go? Let's just go this way. I have a Park Pro stand coming. Should be here any day. It's actually in Vegas right now, just waiting to be delivered to the house. Alright, I'm going to take this wheel off. Alright, should be pretty snug. It's been on there for a while. There we go. To make this a little easier. Oh, it was already off. That was wasted effort. All right. There it is. Okay. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Now comes the fun part. So, I'm supposed to be able to pry these off. Alright, so that's going to take a while. Right, so I'm almost all the way around. I've just been slowly going around at each contact point, giving it a little twist. And success without breaking any of the little nubs, tabs, whatever you want to call it. Alright, there it is. So, I guess I should spruce this up a little bit. So I'm just, alright, so I cleaned this all up, got all the residue off there. It was pretty clean to begin with. I did a pretty good job last time out riding. Now apparently there's a starting point with an arrow here, and it's got a bigger hole, and as far as I can tell there is one notch here in one of these tabs. So I'm going to assume that that is the master start point, the alignment point, whatever you want to call it. I think everything's set there. All right, let's get the old hammer out and give us a couple taps and see where we are. We would be nowhere. All right. Some of those don't even look like they're aligned with the hole. It's hard to tell. All right, so I got it cleaned up, lubed up. I'm gonna put the cassette back on, line up the splines, and press that in, and that should press the new ring into place. So here we go. Sorry, I was just doing a preview to make sure I was catching that. And that's it. Still not sure if it went in as far as it's supposed to, but it's not going anywhere. Got a little bit of play, so I'm going to give it another snug. Got a little Chris King hubs. All right, now I'm going to put it on the bike and see if it shifts. I give the rotors a spray with alcohol just to be safe. All right, we're in. Hey, it even matches the green on the bike. Isn't that special? All right, here we go. doing it like this because my hands are going to cross the camera. That was smooth. And alright, so we got a little bit of adjusting to do. Thought as much. It will go. So let's adjust the barrel adjuster, see what happens. Wow, it stayed in. Alright, that was 2 turns. Not quite 2 turns, it was 2 quarter turns on the barrel adjuster. Alright, let's do some fast shifting here. There we go. Success. It's got one gear, the 32 gear is a little dodgy. 36, and right there, it doesn't want to go down. So let's see what it does in the 11 gear. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so I'm going to adjust my stops and I should be good to go. Come on, baby. Yeah, still a little dodgy. But I think I got enough clearance. Got enough chain. I'm going to call this a success.